Goodbye tingling hands and weak legs, 8 collagen snacks that really work. Have you ever woken up in the morning and felt a tingling in your hands? So uncomfortable that even getting out of bed feels difficult. Maybe your legs don't feel as steady as they used to. My name is Dr. Paul Harris. For more than 25 years, I've walked alongside thousands of older adults here in the United States, listening to their health concerns. And what I've learned is this. The solution often doesn't come from expensive pills, but from the simple foods we put on our table every single day. In today's video, I want to share with you 8 collagen-rich snacks you can easily prepare at home. These simple snacks have helped many of my patients regain their strength. They've restored flexibility. And they've even brought back the joy of moving freely again. The secret lies in collagen. Think of it as the natural glue that holds your muscles, joints, nerves, and even your skin together. Collagen keeps your joints flexible, your nerves firing smoothly, and your skin looking healthier and more vibrant. But as we age, our natural supply of collagen slowly runs out. The result? Tingling hands, legs that feel weaker with each passing day, and knees that start to ache and crack with every step. Chances are you've already noticed these changes yourself, haven't you? Here's the good news. A 24-week study revealed something very encouraging. Older adults who took collagen daily reported less joint pain. They also gained greater flexibility. And they could walk and stand longer without that heavy, dragging feeling in their legs. Doctors now agree on this. Even a small amount of collagen added to your diet each day can make a difference. It helps older adults say goodbye to stiff, tingling hands, and it strengthens weak legs. Before I dive into the first snack, I'd love to hear from you. What do you usually choose for a daily snack and how old are you right now? Write your answer in the comments below. I read every single one, and I truly value what you share, because your responses help me give you more personalized advice. Now let's begin with the very first snack on the list, and discover how you can once again walk lightly, comfortably, and with confidence. The first snack on our list may sound fancy, but it's actually quite simple: dark chocolate midnight clusters. Many people think of chocolate as just a sugary dessert, but if you choose the right kind, it can become a true health food, especially when it comes to supporting collagen production. I'm talking about pure dark chocolate, with a cacao content of around 70 to 85%. This type of chocolate is packed with flavonols and proanthocyanins. These are powerful compounds. They have been shown to stimulate new stem cell growth. They also reduce inflammation. And they even help protect your DNA. Dr. William Li, a well-known researcher in the field of food as medicine, has also emphasized these unique benefits of dark chocolate. Now, let's take it a step further. Almonds bring in essential amino acids, the very building blocks your body needs to naturally produce collagen. Combine the two, and you've got a powerhouse snack for your joints, nerves, and daily energy. Here's how to make it. Melt about 1 ounce 30 grams of dark chocolate, then mix in a handful of roasted almonds or a spoonful of bright red goji berries. Spread it out on a plate, let it cool, and break it into small clusters. The result is a treat that is not only delicious and satisfying but also a daily ally in helping you say goodbye to tingling hands and weak legs. Snack number 2. Greek Yogurt Berry Delight. This snack is like a gentle remedy for tired hands and weary legs. Greek yogurt is well known for being rich in protein and probiotics, which help your body absorb nutrients more effectively. When you pair it with berries like blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, you create a natural collagen-rich snack. This simple combination supports the rebuilding of connective tissue, and it nourishes both your skin and your joints. You just need a cup of Greek yogurt, a handful of berries like strawberries or blueberries, a sprinkle of granola or nuts for crunch, and a drizzle of honey. Eating this regularly in the morning helps provide protein, calcium, fiber, and antioxidants. It not only supports digestion but also boosts collagen, strengthens bones and joints, and enhances healthy, glowing skin. Berries are loaded with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation, one of the hidden causes behind tingling hands and weak legs in older adults. Snack number 3, chicken bone broth bites. Just hearing the name makes you feel warm, like a comforting hug for your body. Bone broth is rich in collagen and amino acids, the key building blocks your body needs to restore connective tissue, nourish cartilage, and support the nervous system. This makes it especially valuable for those over 60. How to make it: take leftover roasted or boiled chicken bones, simmer them with water, a splash of vinegar, and vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions. Let it cook gently for 6 to 8 hours. Once cooled, it forms a rich, gelatin-like broth. Cut it into small bites, and you've created a natural collagen-rich snack, a gift straight from nature for your joints. Snack number 4, cantaloupe mint bites. Sweet, refreshing cantaloupe may surprise you. It's actually a powerhouse of vitamin C, which your body must have in order to produce collagen. Just 1 cup of cantaloupe provides nearly 2/3 of your daily vitamin C needs. Here's a simple way I often suggest to my patients. Cut cantaloupe into small cubes, drizzle with a little fresh lemon juice, toss in a few mint leaves, and sprinkle some chopped pistachios on top. The result is a light, delicious snack that not only satisfies your taste buds but also nourishes your skin, strengthens your joints, and supports your immune system. Snack number 5, tomato caprese salad snack. This is a collagen-rich snack that looks just as good as it tastes. Tomatoes are one of the richest sources of vitamin C and lycopene. These 2 nutrients help your body produce new collagen, and they also protect the collagen you already have from breaking down. How to make it: slice fresh tomatoes, layer them with mozzarella cheese or avocado, drizzle with olive oil, and top with fresh basil leaves. Here's the secret: when tomatoes are paired with healthy fats like olive oil, mozzarella, or avocado, your body absorbs lycopene far more effectively. The result is a snack that's colorful, refreshing, and nourishing for your skin, joints, and connective tissue. Snack number 6, guava power yogurt bowl. Few people realize that guava, this simple, everyday fruit, is one of the most powerful sources of vitamin C for kickstarting collagen production. How to make it: chop ripe guava, mix it into creamy Greek yogurt, add a drizzle of honey, a squeeze of lemon, and finish with walnuts or almonds on top. The combination is delicious, anti-inflammatory, and full of protein and amino acids that keep your joints flexible and your nervous system steady. When you combine guava with protein-rich Greek yogurt, you create a truly collagen-rich snack that helps restore your joints, support your nerves, and even brighten your skin. A single bowl of guava power yogurt may look simple, but it can help you say goodbye to the limits of aging, bringing new vitality to every step you take. Snack number 7, kiwi crunch snack. Sometimes the simplest snacks are the most powerful. Just a few slices of ripe kiwi topped with roasted almonds or walnuts create a collagen-rich snack that works wonders for your body. Kiwi is famous for its high vitamin C content, the key nutrient your body needs to produce collagen. This helps keep your joints strong and your nerves functioning smoothly. At the same time, kiwi supports digestion, strengthens the immune system, and even helps reduce tingling in the hands and feet tissues that so many older adults know all too well. Snack number 8, pineapple nut bites. Pineapple isn't just sweet and refreshing, it also contains bromelain, a special enzyme that reduces inflammation and promotes recovery in both joints and nerves. When you combine pineapple with nuts like macadamias or cashews, you create a collagen-rich snack. It's tasty and nourishing, and it is powerful enough to help your body say goodbye to the aches and pains of aging. How to make it: cut pineapple into bite-sized chunks, mix with macadamia or cashew nuts, and add a sprinkle of cinnamon and fresh mint leaves. These pineapple nut bites are refreshing, joint-soothing, and a natural way to boost both energy and digestion. Together, we've enjoyed 8 collagen-rich snacks, small in size but packed with strength. From the richness of dark chocolate to the nourishing comfort of chicken bone broth. From the cool refreshment of Greek yogurt to the crisp sweetness of pineapple. Each snack brings more than flavor. Each one is a step toward saying goodbye to tingling hands and weak legs. If this video has given you hope and useful ideas, please hit the like button so more people can discover it. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, so you never miss the next tip on how to strengthen your body in natural, lasting ways. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you again in the next video.